You guys are not going to believe it. I'm up at Wesley Chapel Harley-Davidson. They have the Gray Ghost, the chromed out Fat Boy, the Icon. I'm just going to do a quick, I'm not riding this bike, just so you know. This one actually is a pre-owned. The gentleman that purchased it, he has a lot of bikes and he purchased it and then swapped it out for a different bike, a brand new 2025. It's something that he was originally came up here to purchase, and they didn't have it, so he bought this and then decided that he was going to trade in his Fat Boy, the chromed out Fat Boy. That if you have not seen one of these in person, I suggest you come up here and look at it. I'm telling you, the best, absolute best price I've ever seen, because it's got 100 and something miles on it. It's not very many at all. But let's go inside. I'll do a walk around. Told you guys this bike was amazing. Hey, I want to talk to you about a brand new channel partner, Epic Water Filters. If you're concerned about your family's health, your family's safety, this is something that I recommend. There's going to be a link down in the description. You guys go ahead and take a look at it. It's an American-made company right here in the United States. The pitcher that I have here is the Pure Pitcher. It removes fluoride and PFAs. The filter lasts up to 150 gallons. It's BPA free. It removes over 200 contaminants. Just a few of those contaminants: arsenic, chlorine, fluoride, lead, mercury, chromium-6, trihalomethane, PFOAs, PFOSs, VCOs, and glyphosate. That's a huge one. Fluoride and glyphosate are a huge one for me and my family. We want that removed out of our water, and this Pure Pitcher water filter does the job. The other thing I'd like to tell you about is the Vostok vacuum insulated stainless steel 34-ounce water bottle. It's BPA and BPS free. It's been third-party tested. It's leak proof. It's easy to clean. It's made here in the USA, and it's perfect for any adventure. For us motorcycle riders out there, you can throw it in your saddlebag and you've got cold water all day long on your trip. It removes up to 70 plus tap water contaminants from each filter. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll filter my water through my Epic Pure water filter pitcher, and then I'll take that water from the pitcher and put it in my Vostok, and it's also kind of double filtered. You never can be too safe. Don't forget to use my code OMG15. It'll give you 15% off on your very first order. Again, Epic Water Filters, Link in the description.
Stall.
So guys, if you haven't watched the focus, then that won't
Say bye, Hardy.
Bye, Hardy.
Oh, this is recorded, by the way.
I didn't think it wasn't recorded.
Okay. Just checking.